friends, good evening. Today we have brought very tasty and delicious pumpkin curry with gravy. What are the ingredients for that? To tomato, to green chili, to onion, half a kilo of pumpkin will be taken. We'll grind all the materials. What more spices will you take? I will give it to you by writing on the screen.
Show me some movement. Yeah, you can do it. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
First, fill the pumpkin and cut it into small pieces. You can see tomatoes, onion, and green chili have been grated. First, take a big spoon of mustard oil and heat it. Once the oil is hot, add cumin seed, red chili, and bay leaves. Medium brown, fry it and put the paste and fry 2 minutes. 2 tablespoons big water added and cooked 2 minutes. Spices cooked after, put the chopped pumpkin. Cover and cook in medium flame for 2 minutes. If you are new friends on my channel, like, subscribe, share and press the bell icon. If more like my video, share it your relative, friends and neighbor. And please full watch my video. 2 minutes after, added 1 glass water.
Show me some movement. Yeah, you can do it.
Cover and cook in medium flame for 10 minutes.
Oh yeah. Show me some movement. Yeah, you can do it.
And last, put the taste according salt and small pieces jaggery. And cook in medium flame 5 minutes. See friends, pumpkin vegetable is ready. Then see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you. Take care.